Hi guys, and welcome to Anatomy of a Movie, and this is our Netflix picks of the week for August 20th. All right, Marissa, what do you got for us?
Well, this week I'm picking the fun film Rounders. Great cast. You have Matt Damon, Edward Norton, John Malkovich, Famke Janssen. Gotta love everybody. And it's about a man who gambles away his college tuition money in poker, and he only has a few days to get it back.
Sounds fun. I love Edward Norton and so many people in that cast. I vaguely remember this movie, and I need to rewatch it. So thank you for bringing that one. I need to watch that this week. I'm also going to pick, though, Nymphomaniacs Volume 1 and 2. So the Nymphomaniac movies were made released within this last year. They're Lars von Trier, and I heard about them when only Volume 2 was in theaters. So I want to go back, watch both of them together. They're supposedly done really well. I haven't seen them yet, so I can't give too much away.
Ah, this sounds fascinating. All right, and those are your Netflix picks for August 20th.